Good morning, students. I, Brijesh Singh, Subhraj Singh Children Academy, in history class, I strongly welcome you. Students, now the 6-monthly examination has been over. 3 chapters have been allotted for your examination point of view. Now, I am going to teach you the 4th chapter of the history, 3 orders. But I want to revise first of all, total chapters are 11 in your class. 3 chapters have been reduced, have been eliminated by the CBSE board. Remaining 8 chapters will be continued in whole year, in particular 11th standard. 3 chapters have been completed before the midterm examination. Now I am going to start the 4th chapter, 3 orders. Students, having after downfall of Roman Empire, after downfall of the Roman Empire from 9th century to 16th century, some powers of the Central Europe has captured the complete empire of the Roman Empire. This has been discussed clearly. What were the main causes of the Roman Empire? Downfall of the Roman empires, which was the connected of the Italy. But after falling down of the Roman Empire, this a kind of a very turning point beyond of the Roman Empire. Downfall, Germany, some powers of the Germany captured the maximum part of the Roman Empire. Captured by people of Germany, not only captured Roman Empire, it was the stronger turning point in the history of Roman Empire. Germany was in commanding position. Commanding position in Europe. Very, very powerful Germany peoples at the downfall of the Roman Empire, because the powers have been minimized. It was the Central Europe. Germany was emerging very, very strong power. Try to correlate here. I don't have to take the first of order, 3 orders. I will tell you what is the complete meaning of the 3 orders. What is the complete meaning of the 3 orders? I will discuss later. Right now But first of all, I want to connect what is the correlation of three orders. What is the correlation of three orders? I have told you right now, after downfall of Roman Empire from 9th century to 16th century, no country's place, no kingship, no empire can be vacant where one side Roman Empire collapse, downfall. In the second side, Germany was emerging as a powerful country in the Europe, and maximum part of the Roman Empire Germany captured. Not only Roman Empire, but also Italy, Spain, as well as France. This is the factor. First of all, you have to understand that in the German powers captured Italy. Italy consists the Roman Empire, and also along with the Roman Empire reflected to the Italy, Spain and France were also captured by the Germany. So you can say in a conclusion that Germany at that time was very emerging and powerful scenario at that time. At the time of Roman Empire downfall, Germany captured Roman Empire, means Italy, Spain and maximum part of the France. So what were the scenarios? What were the scenarios changing when the Germany captured Italy, Spain, France? Italy means Roman Empire. These countries were part of the Europe. In internal conflict, these countries were the part of the Europe. Germany was also part of the Europe. Roman Empire was also part of the Europe. And Italy means Roman Empire. Spain and France, maximum parts have been captured by the German people. What were the scenarios? Changes having captured by the German? जर्मनी के कैप्चर करने के बाद जर्मनी ने जब अपना आधिपत्य स्थापित किया, गिरते हुए ढहते हुए साम्राज्य को, रोमन एम्पायर के ढहते हुए साम्राज्य को उन्होंने कैप्चर किया, और उसके साथ ही साथ बचा हुआ पार्ट रोम वॉज द पार्ट ऑफ द इटली, कंप्लीट इटली, स्पेन एंड फ्रांस को जब इन्होंने कैप्चर किया, हैविंग कैप्चर्ड द कंप्लीट किंगडम, कंप्लीट एम्पायर ऑफ द इटली, स्पेन एंड फ्रांस, देयर वेर लिटिल बिट सम economic, social and political changes. What were the scenario of after captured the maximum part of the European country, there was a lot of changes in the area of the economic and social. Some changes were expected because the particular system, particular government, particular empire is going to be collapsed here. New power is going to be adopted the particular empire. This is the expectation of little bit changing. So I will try to take the proper discuss of the political changing, economic changing, changing as well as social changing. Social changing. These were the major changes having captured of the maximum part of the European country, because Germany was in commanding position, was the powerful strength here, and at that time Roman Empire was downfall. Along with of the Roman Empire, Italy, Spain and France were captured by the Germany. These are the dimensions of three changes: the political changes, economic changing and social changing. तो आप इसको समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, जब कोई भी एम्पायर एक बार अपना वजूद खो देता है, अपनी गिरावट में आता है, तो दूसरी कोई ताकत उसको कैप्चर करेगी। और जर्मनी तो इतना पावरफुल उस समय था कि सिर्फ रोमन एम्पायर को ही नहीं बल्कि उसने स्पेन और फ्रांस को भी अपनी चपेट में ले लिया। तो जब दूसरी शक्तियां किसी पर हावी होती हैं, वहां का साम्राज्य देखती हैं, तो डेफिनेटली दिस इज नेचुरल, सम लिटिल बिट चेंजिंग आर टू बी एक्सपेक्टेड। वहां का सामाजिक, वहां का आर्थिक और वहां का राजनीतिक जो सिनारियो है वो निश्चित तौर पर बदलेगा, क्योंकि शासन नया होगा तो परिस्थितियां नहीं होंगी, और परिस्थितियां नहीं होंगी तो वहां की व्यवस्था में भी आमूलचूल परिवर्तन होगा। तो हैविंग कैप्चर्ड ऑफ द Roman from the Roman Empire to the Germany, the political changing, economic changing and social changing were to be expected here. Now when the Germany captured these countries like Italy, like Spain and France, so this was a system has been produced, a feudalism system. Now came the सामंतवाद, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं सामंतवाद, फ्यूडलिज्म, FEODALISM, फ्यूडलिज्म. I just want to mention in Hindi also सामंतवाद. Definitely you have studied in previous classes Samantwad. Feudalism was the part of property centered organization. Feudalism में definition की बात अगर हम करें, I will try to clarify. First of all, you have to know what is the feudalism. Feudalism is a strong part feudalism is completely associated to land and peasants. Which was emerging scenario. तो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द फ्यूडलिज्म. फ्यूडलिज्म में सामंतवाद मुख्यतः भूमि से जुड़ा होता है, एक संपत्ति से जुड़ा होता है. आप पहले के इतिहास में पढ़े होंगे कि बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजाओं रजवाड़ों के पास बहुत पर्याप्त मात्रा में जमीन होती थी और उन जमीन के हिस्सों को किसानों को दिया जाता था और किसान बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करने के बाद उसका मैक्सिमम पार्ट जो प्रोडक्शन होता था वो बिल्कुल जमींदारों को दिया जाता था. तो एक तरीके से आप कह सकते हैं कि प्रॉपर्टी लैंड्स जो है, प्रॉपर्टी लैंड का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन on the fixed condition of the landlords. landlords and strong powers were active, and that time they were totally bound to take the proper situation on the peasants. Peasants were the part of the cultivation of a lot of maximum grains, and the actual owner was the landlord. तो अगर फ्यूडलिज्म की बात करें, सामंतवाद की बात करें, तो बहुत ज़्यादा जमीन पर हक जताना, उसका मालिकाना हक, और किसानों को थोड़े थोड़े से पार्ट में दे करके, तो दिस वाज द जस्टिफाई एंड लॉजिकल दैट कैन बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द लैंड्स विच हैज बीन कल्टिवेटेड बाय द peasants were totally the part of the feudalism. Feudalism is completely associated to land and peasants. Lands and peasants as which was the emerging scenario, and completely centered individually centered individually. Or this particular word of the feudalism is the feud, F-E-U-D, the part of land, the part of a land. If you try to complete explanation of the feudalism is the initial part of the feud. Feud is the particular word which contains the meaning of part of land. So this was the basic concept of the three orders. I will just later try to take the what were the three orders. Initial part of this chapter having started of the three orders, what were the Germany had been captured to taking the along with of the Roman file, which was the dusty condition of the Italy, Spain and France. These were countries were falling down at the very very worst condition of the Roman Empire, and weaker section of the other countries were the Italy and Spain and France, and Germany was emerging condition at that time, take the powerful strength and commanding position. He captured the Roman Empire as well as Italy, Spain and France, the maximum part of the Europe. After that, there was the turning point of the scenario which can be changed in the particular department of taking the action of any kind of emperor, any kind of dynasty is going to fall down. Something drastically changed had to turning point scenario. Now the political changing, economic changing and social changing, and in this collective responsibility of there is one kind of the feudalism came to power in feudalism, which is called in Hindi Samantwad. This is the absolute correlated to the land distribution among the peasants, and maximum part of the production can be absorbed without any kind of condition taken, and just total command of the landlords, healthy landlords. This was the definition. Feudalism is completely associated to land and peasants, which was emerging scenario and centered individually. This is the feud words, meaning contains the part of the land. In whole system this has been distributed. The system of Germany and how they correlated to France. I will take the discuss about the France peasants. What were the three orders regarding this chapter? First of all, I want to discuss about what is the exact meaning of the orders. Actually, three orders contains three conditions. Three conditions have been implemented to survive the administration, properly this was divided into three parts, according to their status. Three conditions have been implemented. These three conditions you have to take the proper connection of. In the practical world, you have to take the explanation of the three orders, means three conditions have been implemented, had been classified to survive the administration properly. This was divided into three parts according to their status. इनको तीन चीजों में डिवाइड किया गया था. पूरे प्रशासन को, पूरे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को बेहतरीन ढंग से संचालित करने के लिए जो थ्री वर्ड्स हैं, इसको हमने सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश किया. एक्चुअली थ्री ऑर्डर्स 1 2 3 three orders have been classified in three orders, three each were correlated of each other. So actually we have to study in particular chapter of the three orders, what were three orders, what were their lifestyle, how on which category on the basis of their important has been classified, what were their important in particular area, and what were the special connection to the first order, to second order and third order, what were facilities have been allotted in the status of regarding classification of the first order, second order and third order. So there is no need of any kind of confusion at all. Three orders means three conditions, थ्री सिस्टम्स आप कह सकते हैं. थ्री सिस्टम्स को बनाया गया था. थ्री ऑर्डर्स मीन्स three systems have been, three categories have been implemented to survive the properly the rules and regulation, having captured Germany or when the Italy, Spain and France. Now I will try to take the condition of the how the France came into existence. France came into existence. This is the part of the Galle here, and here the part. This is the Frank captured. Frank, only the name of the Frank ruler Frank, the name of King Frank captured with the Galle. This is the special part of the Roman dynasties, and here he captured and completely captured. This Galle was completely captured. After capturing the Galle of the Frank, in this particular name of the Frank has generated France. This is the very short history. Galle is the main part of the Roman Empire, and the Frank king, the Germany's king Frank, captured Gauls, and after taking the capturing of the Gauls, here he named France in the connection of Frank rules of the France. So this was the main reason France came into existence. Italy, Spain and France. This was the complete history of the Galle has been captured. Frank was the king, and Frank captured Galle at that time, and when the situation came to power, and it has been nominated of the France. Now I will take the three orders. What were the three systems has been divided. Three systems has been divided in particular chapter. I will try to focus what are the main scenarios where at that time when the Roman Empire was downfall and the Germany main power, which is the commanding position, captured the Italy, Spain and France, and later in England. And I will also take the complete discuss about the church. Christianity was the myth of the part. Christianity's produced church, and church the powerful strength, church the powerful strength in Europe, which was in driving seat. Christianity was the major religion. Christianity religion and captured whole Europe and produced church where the powerful strength in Europe, which was in driving seat and controls all the administration and controls complete administration. On the basis of classification of the administrations, three orders has been classified. I will take the complete portion of the analysis of the three orders. Now I will take the complete classification. What were the three orders on the basis of administration as Germany, Christianity, what were the role of the church, how they able to command on the three orders, what were the main difference among three orders, how their status has been clarified, how they were major part of the particular departments, what were their jurisdictions, what were their stage and the standard of the first, second and third order, which has been nominated as three orders. Now, three orders, as you looking at three social status have been generated. I have told you right now, three orders to survive the proper administration of the Germany, who has captured maximum part of the Europe, exercised three social conditions. You can say the second name of the three social status. Three social status. I introduced the complete part of the administration, which was totally able to take the occupy and administration. How come to the point? Directly, if we can't say about the three order, what were the situation of continued proper situation, angles of the three orders which has classified in the three social status. Before it, I explained you the complete history of the downfall of the Roman Empire, Spain and Italy, also France and England was totally captured by the Germany, and this was the classification of the political scenario and social scenario and economic impact scenario. These were the major points of the particular administration. I also told you the Frank particular king captured the Gaul, which was the part of the Roman, and the name of the Frank, it has been it has been named the name of France. I also told you what is the feudalism. Feudalism is completely associated to property land of the centralized portion of the peasants. I will tell you what were the position of the peasants here, and definitely main three orders, which can say in other word three social status. This has been classified, and the first of all you can say this is the clergy. Clergy in the first order, you can the first order clergy, and the second order you can say this is the nobles, and third order you can say peasants. This was the major connection on the basis of relevant topic which has been started from here. Before putting three orders, three social status of the clergy and noble peasants, it was very necessary to take the action proper, the previous history of the three orders, how three orders came into the existence, what was the condition of the Roman Empire, what the condition of the Germany, what the condition of the Spain, what the condition of France, how the France name has been nominated, what was the main cause of the collapsation of the Roman Empire. Germany was in the driving seat at that time. This was the previous event which was very important to correlate each other, because in history, until you are not going to the regarding scenarios to flashback to correlate the present topic. Now just I try to correlate what were the three orders generated behind it, what were the major causes, what were the prominent causes about this. And I have talked so many Europe countries like Germany, Europe, Central Europe, Germany, Spain, and France, and especially downfall of the Roman Empire. After briefing of these circumstances, we have come to the point of the taking three orders, which is exactly compile of your chapter. Three orders, you can say in the practical word, three social status. These were three status to survive the administration. This has been divided into three sections. First, clergy, second, nobles, and three, peasants. I have already told you the feudalism was especially connected to the land properties, which has been awarded to cultivation of the peasants. What were the status of nobles? What were the ranking of clergy? I will take the complete explanation. Clergy, nobles, and peasants according to their ranking, according to their social status. I will also take the complete discussion of the church, which was in driving seat, how they were the Christianities was connected to the very religious point of view. The three social status, church was in driving seat in the controlling part of the clergy, noble, and peasants. The next video I will take the complete, this was the previous history of the three orders. I will try to take the connection of three orders, three social status. Before, what was the main history of these events. Now come to the point of the clergy, nobles, and peasants, exact point of the three orders. From here I will take the complete discuss of the ranking situation of the clergy, nobles, and peasants. So once needed to take your textbook. After that I will take the complete explanation about three part of the three orders. This is the organ, this is the main organ of your chapter, clergy, nobles, and peasants. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.